Running out of time in your PTE test? Probably you're making this one main mistake. Make sure you save this video and watch it till the end. Now the biggest thing in PTE exam, if you want to crack it in your first attempt, is time management. If you don't know how much time to allocate to each module, you will not be able to finish the test on time, and then the most important thing which comes at the end of the test, you will miss out. Make sure you save this video and let's start. I'm Malcolm. Now the first thing is speaking. In speaking, you get an overall timer. You have 5 tasks. It's very important to know how much time you're going to get for each task. So let me explain everything quickly but in detail. First is read aloud. Make sure you prepare for about 20 seconds before the beep, and after the beep, once you finish, you do next immediately. You don't have to wait for the timer or the blue bar to reach the end. Very important, keep it in mind. Task number 2, repeat sentence. Very important thing is there is no beep sound. You get 3 seconds to prepare, and after that you hear an audio. After the audio ends, there is no beep sound. Keep that in mind. Make sure you remember that. And after the blue bar starts, you are supposed to start repeating the sentence, and once you finish it, click next immediately. Task number 3 and 4 are describe image and retell lecture. Nothing to worry much about. You get 25 seconds in describe image. In those 25 seconds, rehearse, practice, visualize the sentences which you're going to speak. Speak in a natural way. Don't use templates blindly. In the next task, which is retell lecture, you get 10 seconds before the audio starts. What should you do? Check your pen because you have to take notes. Very important. Take notes quickly, understand what you're listening, visualize it mentally. And in task number 5, which is answer short questions, you get 3 seconds. After that, you listen to a question. After the question ends, there is no beep sound. So once the blue bar starts, you start your answer and then you click next. Next is writing. In writing, the first task is summarize written text. Time management, again, very important. You get 10 minutes to read and understand the passage and write your answer. Very important that you finish your answer in maximum 7 minutes, so that in the remaining last 3 minutes, you check your answer. Make sure you click on the submit button before time is up. The next task is write essay. You get 20 minutes for the essay. You must finish your answer, which should be between 200 to 300 words. Ideal word limit is around 250 to 275 words. Make sure you finish it in 14 minutes, maximum 15 minutes, so that in the remaining 5 to 6 minutes, you check your answer multiple times for spelling, typing, and grammatical mistakes. For each of these mistakes, you will lose marks. Next is reading. In reading, you get an overall timer, which is about 30 minutes, roughly 25 to 32 minutes, and you get about 15 to 20 questions. What should you be careful about? You need to devote approximately 2 minutes per question for reading writing blanks, maximum 2.5 minutes. For multiple choice questions, don't waste time. If you're looking for a higher score, my suggestion is just go with one option in multiple choice, multiple answers, maximum 20 to 30 seconds per question. Just one option. Don't go for more than one. In reorder paragraphs, 1.5 to 2 minutes per question. And then in reading blanks, which are drag and drop blanks, 1.5 to 2 minutes per question. That is ideal time management. Next is listening. The first task in listening is summarize spoken text. You get 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, you need to listen to the audio, take notes, write your answer. Make sure you check your word limit. The answer should be between 50 to 70 words. Less or more will incur a penalty. Most important thing is you should have at least 1.5 to 2 minutes to check your final answer, again for spelling, typing, and grammatical mistakes. You may get 1 or 2 questions, independent timer, so don't rush. But make sure you submit before your time is up. After that, you will get an overall timer for listening. In about 18 to 20 minutes, you have to solve about the remaining 12 or 13 questions. Maximum could be 15. Remember, it's an overall timer. Multiple choice questions will be a waste of your time. My tip is, as soon as the audio ends, choose one option and click next. Don't take more time, you'll just end up wasting time. Now, there are 3 most important tasks in listening after summarize spoken text. Listening, fill in the blanks, highlight incorrect words, write from dictation. Now, as I said, the biggest mistake which people do is people don't take enough mock tests. If you want, you can take a free mock test on our website, Mockmaster.ai. One full mock test is free. You'll get an exact idea of how the real test is, so that you can manage your time well. My suggestion is manage your time in listening in such a way so that you are left with at least 7 to 8 minutes for the last task, which is write from dictation. Now, if you like the video, make sure you share it, make sure you comment. If you want a personal strategy, just write the word time in the comments, and we will send you a direct message on your TikTok or Instagram, whatever you're watching this on, and and we will share our time management strategy with you. Also, we have amazing end of the financial year sale deals going on for PT, IELTS and NATI CCL coaching. If you're looking for classes, just mention sale in the comment and we will also send you a personal direct message with our offers going on. Don't wait, act now for PT, IELTS and NATI classes. I'm Malcolm.